Alright, let's go and take a look at solving systems of equations by substitution. So if we're given two equations in the form of a system, y equals negative 2x minus 9 and 6x minus 5y equals negative 19, then because y is equal to this, we can just plug it in for the y here. So what our equation becomes is 6x minus 5. Y is this, so negative 2x minus 9 equals to negative 19. By distributing the negative 5 to the negative 2x and to the negative 9, we get 6x plus 10x plus 45 equals to negative 19. Okay, so 6x plus 10x is 16x plus 45 equals to negative 19. Then we can subtract 45 onto this side, and we'll get 16x equals negative 64. So when we divide both sides by 16, we would get x equals negative 4. Once we have that x equals negative 4, we can choose to plug it into this equation to solve for y, or this equation and solve for y. This equation, the first equation, the original equation looks simpler, so let's just plug in negative 4 for the x there to solve for y. So negative 2 times x, so x is negative 4, minus 9. Okay, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. So since our x is negative 4 and our y is negative 1, we have an answer of negative 4, negative 1. Okay, let's go and take a look at a similar question. In this question, they say y equals 3x plus 14 and y equals negative 4x. Okay, so because y is equal to this, we can plug it into the y in the second equation. And we can say 3x plus 14 equals to negative 4x. Okay, getting all the x's on one side, we can subtract this 3x over here. And we get 14 equals negative 7x. Okay, to solve for x, let's divide both sides by negative 7. And x equals 14 divided by negative 7 is negative 2. Okay, so we're most of the way there. We just have to find what y is. And so you can pick either this equation or this equation to plug in negative 2 into the x here or here. Since this equation looks a little bit more simple than this one, why don't we just plug it into here? So y equals negative 4x. If x is negative 2, we'll just say negative 4 times negative 2. And negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. So y equals 8. And so now that we have an x value of negative 2 and a y value of 8, we can say that our answer is negative 2, 8.